Good day po, sir. Yes po, sir. Basketballs po, sir. Basketball court po, sir. Ah, basketball ring po, sir.
Basketball ring. So, um, unlocking of term. It's the echo. So, unlocking of terms. So, unlocking of terms. I can't say what. It's fine. Dribbling, a player uses one hand. Wait lang. So, the five fundamental skills of basketball is passing, dribbling, shooting, rebounding, and defense. So, next slide. Dribbling. Dribbling is a fundamental skill. Okay. Is a fun the echo good. Is a fundamental hello? So okay, again. Dribbling is a fundamental skill in which a player uses one hand to continuously bounce the ball on the court. Dribbling helps. Dribbling helps you control the ball, advance it toward the hoop, and create distance between you and the defender. So next slide, please. Next is shooting. Shooting is the skill that involves directly scoring points, whether a player shoots a layup, a mid-range shot, or a three-pointer. It is all encompassed by an idea of shooting or scoring the basketball. So next slide. Defense. Defense refers to the defensive strategies, alignments, and positioning that a team uses to prevent the opposing offense from scoring baskets. So next slide, please. So rebounding. A rebound can be grabbed by either or an offensive player or a defensive player. Rebounds are divided into two main categories: offensive rebounds, in which the ball is recovered by the offensive side and does not change possession, and defensive rebounds, in which the defending team gains possession. Then last slide, please. So passing is the act of throwing the ball to a teammate, or one player will try to pass the ball to their teammate while the other player tries to steal the ball and take it away. So next slide, please. So familiar naman kayo dun sa five basic skills, di ba? Ay, five, yes. So next slide. So remember, mastering these skills contribute to becoming well-rounded basketball player. Next. So to conclusion, mastering the fundamental basketball skills is essential for establishing a robust foundation in the sport. Proficiency in key aspects like dribbling, shooting, passing, rebounding, and defense not only elevates individual performance but also contribute to a well-rounded understanding of the game. These skills have the power to cultivate core values such as teamwork, sportsmanship, leadership, humility, patience, and perseverance. So for for you for you guys, I have a short quiz. So it's in enumeration. So I will give you 15 minutes to answer this one.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Okay, diretso na. Next na. Okay na? Pass. Oo. Tapos answeran na nila. Sige lang. Sige lang. So just tell me guys if you're already done.
Done na po, sir.
Okay, so let's check your work. So number one, a player uses one hand to continuously bounce the ball on the court. So
Dribbling po, sir.
okay, very good. So number two, it is the skill that involves directly scoring points.
Shooting po, sir.
Shooting, nice. It can be grabbed by either an offensive player or a defensive player.
Rebounding po, sir.
Number four, it is the act of throwing the ball to a teammate.
I think passing po, sir.
Okay, correct. So number five, it refers to the defensive strategies, alignments, and polishing that a team uses to prevent the opposing offense from scoring baskets.
Defense po, sir.
Okay, that's correct. So I hope you got the answers correct. So for your assignment, create a video with yourself performing at least two different fundamental skills of basketball. You can choose the two fundamental skill yourself and pass your video to Google Drive provided. When uploading your video on the G Drive, make sure to rename the video, put your last name, then first name and your middle initial. So pass your assignment. Maybe I'll get it next week.
Sige po, sir.
Okay, okay class. So thank you. That's all.